Witnessing history. Money! Money! Yes, sir. You did it, man.
It worked.
You did it. Beautiful.
Even though we should have gave up a year ago.
No way.
Awesome.
Hey, man.
We did it! Congratulations. We did it!
Didn't think it was going to happen, but it
Woo!
Very good.
Wow.
John.
What an achievement.
Good job, man. Happy for you, man. See you tomorrow.
Okay, what's your heart rate, Brent? What's your heart rate at? Good job, man. That was awesome.
Oh my God. Let's get a picture.
There you go.
We've been vindicated.
You're probably fighting the wind, honestly.
Yeah, they need bigger.
Probably should have slowed it down more when I put it down.
Not too bad.
Because then all of a sudden it would just go like up, and then
Skis. Here, I bet you if you cycle
Oh, can we just go off just a skosh more? Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, see, they're good. They just couldn't fight the wind, yeah. So you do fly to get them slow.
Well,
All right, I'm going to, you ready to come out?
They both broke.